Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about HTML tags. In the last video, we explored the basic structure needed to create a simple web page. As you can see, most HTML tags come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. We have the opening and closing HTML tags. Next, we have the opening and closing head and body tags. Now that you have seen the simple structure of a web page, here is a little bit of homework. I would like you to try and create a new folder called 02 tags. Inside that folder, try and create an index.html file and add the basic code needed for a web page. Here is a hint. We will need a doctype HTML tag at the top, HTML tags, head and title tags, and body tags. If you forgot how to do it, don't worry, we will go through it in a sec. Please pause the video now and give it your best shot. Hopefully that went well for you. Here is how I would do it. First, we're going to click on the create folder icon and type 02 tags. Click enter. Now click on the arrow next to the folder and click the file, create file icon and type index.html. Click enter. Now we're going to add the doctype HTML tag. Under that, we'll add the HTML tags. Inside the HTML, we'll add the head tag. And inside the head, we'll add the title HTML tags. Under the head, we'll add the body tag. And inside the body, we'll create a H1 saying HTML tags. Now Command S to save. Now right click and select Open with Live Server. And there you have it. Now that we are becoming familiar with HTML tags, let's have a look at the heading tags. This is a H1 heading tag. The starting tag is the opening tag, and the end tag is the closing tag. Please notice the slash in the closing tag. There are 6 heading sizes to choose from. H1 tags are the largest and are generally used for big headings and to show importance. The H6 heading tag is the smallest heading you can choose. Heading tags are important as they help structure the document and show the importance of the content. Let's now have a look at this code example. At the top is the H1 tag, all about pizzas. Next is the H2 tag, types of pizza. After that, we have the H3 tags for classic and specialty pizzas. You can now see a separation in the content because of the different size headings with the H2 tag, how to make a pizza. The different heading sizes show the level of importance and help separate the content. Now it is your turn. I would like you to create a web page about something you love. Sport, food, a hobby, whatever you like. Please use at least one H1 tag, 2 H2 tags, and 3 H3 tags. Here is a quick example to get you started. Once you are done, save the file and run the live server as shown earlier in the video. Great job today! Now you know how to create headings and organize your content with HTML tags. In the next video, we will be focusing on paragraphs. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next video. Happy coding!